Okay, hi. We're gonna work on this packet right here. This math packet tonight for homework. But we're doing number 7, not number 7 on this page, number 7 on the back. Going back to Pythagorean theorem. Can you see me? Okay. So, we have our triangle here. And we have on our grid triangle A, B, C, and we have to find, it says how long is side A? So I'm going to zoom the camera in a little bit so you can see a little bit better. But by zoom I mean pick up the tripod and move it in. Okay. So if we remember that when we're doing Pythagorean theorem and you're trying to find the length of side AC, we need to first find the length of side A squared, plus B squared plus what?
C squared.
Excellent. So, I'm going to give myself a little drawing room here. Erase my lovely graph. And do A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Now, to find our A, we're going to pick a leg on one of these triangles, on this triangle here. Now notice how I actually split this triangle kind of in half here and did the AC, line AC is actually the hypotenuse. So line AC is actually going to be our C, and in order to find that we use our C squared. So in this case, we're going to find the measure of C squared. We don't know what that is yet. It's a mystery. But we can find the measure of side A and side B because we have this nice little grid here give this to us. So I'm going to count how many points is between this part of the triangle and this. So I count from here, and I count 1, 2. So that is 2 units on the base. So that would be the same as saying 2 squared. Now I gotta make sure to do a square because remember, Pythagorean theorem, you need to have that squared. Now to find my B, I also do the same thing. I count up how many units. 1, 2. So B is also 2 units. Now because I have A now, and I have the measure of B, I can now find this measure of C. So let's do the math. So 2 squared gives me, I heard it. Yes, audience, thank you, 4. Then this one too as well. 2 times 2 would also give me, oh, we're all smart, 4.
Plus 8.
Oh yeah, technically yes. So then we have 4 plus 4, which gives me 8. Or C squared, yeah. Now what? Now what, people? Now what? Anybody? 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 Yes?
So now we know how long is side A and C.
Yeah, so is it, are we going to just say 8 equals C squared? Now, what do we need to do to the 8? Anybody? Anybody? Yes! Audience member. Yeah, we sure do. Grab the square root, like you said. Very, very smart people back there. I know you can't see them, but they're very smart. Grab the square root of 8, which, I don't really know. Probably use the estimation method, but anybody out there with a calculator? Anybody? Oh, yes, you over there. What do we get? Getting the square root of 8. One moment, please, while we wait for our calculations. We take a commercial break while we wait for our calculations. So what do we got? Yes? We're not having technical difficulties. We're just trying to grab calculators here. One moment. Oh, what is that again, people?
2.8.
2.8. Excellent. So, our measure of line side AC is 2.8. How do we find that? Well, we kind of went back to our Pythagorean theorem skills and plugged them in and figured it out. All right.